Attract even more of your target audience with Lead Booster. You've probably got something planned to attract more people to your booth. It might be product demos, samples and giveaways, presentations, a special offer, a new product launch, or a fun booth activity. Whichever one you choose, the key is to make sure everyone knows about it. When you choose Lead Booster, we will advertise your offers and booth activities to attendees before and during the show, driving more visitors to your booth. Most exhibitors get a boost of at least 50 additional leads. If you've purchased your Lead Booster, you can check the status in your Lead Manager app. Haven't created your offer yet? Make sure you add one now. An exciting offer can help attract important leads and potential business you may have otherwise missed. If Lead Booster is not part of your existing package, speak to your account manager for more information. Watch our next video to discover how to best follow up on your leads to maximise your event results.